Hello everyone, welcome to SciTech Path. This is KD. Today we are going to look at some of the marvelous endemic fauna which is found only in India. The diversity between animals is so specific. For their survival, animals have exhibited special features during evolution due to the need for adaptation. Endemic species are those that are found in just one region and nowhere else in the world. Either they get confined to a location or it's challenging for them to survive outside the geographical area. India is one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. It has great diversity of fauna. About 89,451 species of fauna are currently present in India and is increasing as more and more research is done. There are about 2,546 species of fish, 408 reptile species, 1,250 species of birds, and the current survey shows that out of nearly 63,760 species of insects in India, about 21,166 species are endemic to India. There are about 410 species of mammals also present in India. I will cover the flora portion in another video. These are all the statistics. Now the juicy stuff. Let us dive into the top animals that are found only in India. Number 1. Asiatic lion. Its scientific name is Panthera leo persica. They are only found in the Gir National Park, Gujarat, India. They have about 100 cm height, 200 to 280 cm length and weigh about 110 to 190 kg. The longitudinal fold of skin that runs along with the Asiatic lion's belly is absent in African lions. They are listed in Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and endangered on IUCN Red List. Asian lions used to range from Turkey across Asia to eastern India, but they were hunted to near extinction for sport. About 520 lions are remaining in the wild and are the last Asiatic lions alive. We have some good news that the population of Asiatic lions in India has risen 29% in 5 years according to a report in 2020. Number 2. Purple frog. Its scientific name is Nasica batrachus sahyadrensis. The name is derived from Sanskrit Nasica for nose, Greek batrachos for frog, and Sahyadri, the native name of Western Ghats mountain ranges. The frog is confined to the Western Ghats of India. The purple frog or pig-nosed frog spends much of his life underground, emerging briefly for a few days each year at the start of monsoons to breed. Local people consume the tadpoles, which are also used beside the adult frogs for medicinal uses. In some communities, an amulet is made from the frog and is worn by children, as it is believed this will lessen their fear of storms. The purple frog is listed as endangered by the IUCN Red List and is threatened by deforestation from expanding cultivations. Number 3. Lion-tailed macaque. The lion-tailed macaque or Macaca silenus is endemic to the Western Ghats in southern India and is endangered. It is also known as wanderoos. In Germany, lion-tailed macaques are referred to as Bartaff or bearded monkeys, but in India they are called Singhalika or lion-like. These monkeys have cheek pouches which can store the same amount of food as their stomach, a handy feature to carry extra food while foraging. It's quite fascinating. The population is expected to suffer an estimated decline of over 20% in the next 25 years. The lion-tailed macaque's habitat is shrinking and has become very fragmented. Number 4. Sangai deer. It is also known as Sangai, brow-antlered deer or dancing deer. Its scientific name is Rucervus ld. Culturally, the Sangai finds itself rooted deep into the legends and folklore of Manipuris. Based on a popular folk legend, the Sangai is interpreted as the binding soul between humans and nature. The Sangai deer is endemic to Manipur and is found only at Kebul Lamjao National Park, the world's only floating national park. It is a state animal of Manipur. It is listed Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and endangered on the IUCN Red List. The deer walks on the hind surface of its pasterns with mincing hops over floating foliage and is hence also called the dancing deer. Sangai feeds on a variety of water-living plants, grasses, herbaceous plants and shoots. Number 5. Nilgiri tahr. Its scientific name is Nilgiri tragus hylocrius. It is also known as varaidu. It is a state animal of Tamil Nadu. The word varaidu is derived from the Tamil word varai meaning cliff and adu meaning goat. It is endemic to Nilgiri Hills and the southern portion of the western and eastern Ghats in the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala in southern India. The population of Nilgiri tahr has been calculated at 3,122 individuals in the wild as per a report released in 2015. The Eraviculum National Park has the highest density and largest surviving population of Nilgiri tahr. The IUCN lists Nilgiri tahr as endangered in the Red List 2010 and is listed in Schedule 1 of Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Number 6. The Anaimalai gliding frog. Its scientific name is Rhacophorus pseudomalabaricus. It is also known as Anaimalai flying frog, false Malabar gliding frog and false Malabar tree frog. Anaimalai flying frog is a species of frog found only in Anaimalai hills of Tamil Nadu and Kerala states, India. The term gliding frog refers to its strength to break its fall by stretching the webbing between its toes when making leaps down from tree tops. It can make gliding jumps of 9 to 12 meters, a maximum of about 115 times its length. Number 7. Namdapha flying squirrel. Its scientific name is Biswa myopteris biswasi. It is a nocturnal flying squirrel endemic to Arunachal Pradesh in northeast India. The Namdapha flying squirrel is listed as critically endangered by IUCN. Flying squirrels don't fly, they just glide. Flying squirrels have membranes of fur between their arms and legs called patagia. They can leap many times with their body length and can have precision control of their landings. Number 8. Bronzeback wine snake. It is also known as Ayatullah paroteti or bronze-headed wine snake, parotid or parotid's wine snake or Western Ghats bronzeback. It is endemic to Nilgiri Hills of Western Ghats in South India. The specific name paroteti is in honor of French naturalist Georges Samuel Parotid. It is a viviparous animal, that is, they give birth to offsprings rather than laying eggs. Number 9. Malabar civet. Its scientific name is Vivera civetina. It's known as Kananchandu and Malay Meru in Kerala. It's listed as critically endangered on IUCN Red List as the population is estimated to number fewer than 250 mature individuals. The local merchants in Kerala reared Malabar civets to obtain civetone, an extract from the scent glands which is used in medicine as an aromatics, and hence they are in the endangered list. Number 9. Pygmy hog. Its scientific name is Porcula salvania. By 2002, only one viable population lived in Manas National Park, a biosphere reserve in Assam, which has been expected to comprise a few hundred individuals. The pygmy hog is designated as a Schedule 1 species in India under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and IUCN listed it as endangered. No doubt I had fewer images and clips in the second half due to the decreased population and the critically endangered status of these animals, which directly impacts the availability of images in the public domain or by individuals. Thank you for watching. Please do like and support by subscribing to my channel, and we are going to make more awesome content ahead in future, so stay tuned.